Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you exactly how to get an invisible name in Roblox, step by step, and yes, this actually works. So first, open your browser and go to the first website called YT Tags. Here you'll see two text boxes. In both boxes, type any short word, for example test. Now, keep that tab open because we'll need it again in a moment. Next, open the second website, Text Reverse. Once you're there, find the button that says Copy to Clipboard and click it. That's the invisible character we'll be using for our Roblox name. Go back to the YT Tags website, and in the box that says Replace with, paste the copied text 3 times, because Roblox requires at least 3 characters for any display name. Now click Replace, and you'll see what looks like an empty box. That's perfect. Click Copy Text to copy your invisible name. Now open Roblox, go to Settings, then Account Info, and find your display name. Click Edit, and this is the part where you have to move quickly. Paste the invisible text using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, and immediately click Save. If you get an error, don't worry, that happens sometimes. Just try again, and make sure you paste and save as fast as you can. It might take 2 or 3 tries, but it will eventually work. Once it saves, your display name will look completely blank, no letters, no symbols, nothing. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick Roblox guides, and I'll see you in the next one.